Hi, my name is Alia Smith. I am a nurse practitioner, and I learned about Empire medical training from my employer, who is a chiropractor. And I started taking the joint injection classes to just help enhance my practice. Of course, generate more revenue, which they're excellent in advising about coding, because half our job is, of course, revenue, but also the experience of doing the injections was amazing. It was plenty of time to do the injections, to practice. If you didn't want to practice on the actual person, they have a class where you can do it on a cadaver, which was excellent. And I just feel more confident now to go out and practice these procedures on actual people because I had the training from Empire Medical Training. Hi, my name is Alia Smith. I am a nurse practitioner, and I invite you to join Empire Medical Training.